2026 Chevy Motorhome is here to redefine how we think about travel, freedom, and luxury on the road. For decades, Chevrolet has been known for building reliable, powerful, and stylish vehicles, and now they've stepped into the motorhome arena with a futuristic design that combines rugged performance with modern-day comfort. This is not just an RV, it's a rolling home, a smart apartment on wheels that makes every journey an experience. Imagine the spirit of American road trips, but with the sophistication of cutting-edge technology, electric power options, and interiors that feel like a luxury suite. That's exactly what the 2026 Chevy Motorhome delivers. The exterior design of the 2026 Chevy Motorhome immediately grabs attention. Sleek aerodynamic lines meet a bold Chevy front grille, LED lighting stretches across its edges, and the sculpted body gives it a modern presence on highways and campsites alike. Built on a reinforced platform, it balances size with agility, making it suitable for long-distance adventures and tight city navigation. Some trims are available with a hybrid or fully electric drivetrain, giving eco-conscious travelers the choice to explore the world without leaving a heavy footprint. Chevrolet has even included solar integration on the roof, allowing the motorhome to charge its battery bank while parked, reducing reliance on fuel or external power hookups. Step inside and the experience is transformed completely. The 2026 Chevy Motorhome interior has been designed like a luxury condo on wheels. A smart, modular layout allows multiple configurations depending on the owner's lifestyle. A cozy lounge area with plush seating doubles as a workspace, thanks to foldable tables and wireless charging pads. The entertainment system is fully digital, with a massive smart TV, surround sound, and internet connectivity powered by satellite and 5G integration. Every seat is climate-controlled and wrapped in premium materials, making long drives as comfortable as relaxing in your living room. The kitchen is another highlight. Chevy has taken inspiration from modern smart homes to create a compact yet efficient cooking space. You get an induction cooktop, convection microwave, refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher, all designed to run efficiently from the onboard battery and solar systems. Cabinets are designed with soft close technology and enough storage for weeks of travel. The countertops feature a premium stone finish, and LED accent lighting gives the kitchen a warm, inviting feel. Whether you're making a quick coffee or a full family meal, the motorhome kitchen delivers functionality without compromise. Sleeping arrangements in the 2026 Chevy Motorhome are equally impressive. Depending on the model, it can comfortably sleep 4 to 6 people. The main bedroom offers a queen or king-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, and privacy panels. For guests or family, convertible sofas and a loft-style bed maximize space without feeling cramped. Windows feature smart tint technology, allowing you to adjust light and privacy with the touch of a button. Waking up in the Chevy Motorhome means enjoying panoramic views of mountains, lakes, or city skylines right from your bed. The bathroom setup feels more like a spa than a traditional RV washroom. A walk-in shower with rainfall and customizable settings, a modern vanity with LED mirror, and high-end fixtures make it a refreshing space to start or end your day. Water conservation technology ensures efficient use while still giving the feel of a luxurious hotel bathroom. Safety and technology are where Chevy has really set a new standard. The motorhome includes advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The dashboard features a massive digital cockpit with AI-based navigation that suggests scenic routes, campsites, and even rest stops based on your preferences. Voice commands allow you to control climate, lighting, and even appliances while driving. Chevrolet understands that a motorhome isn't just about driving from one place to another. It's about creating lasting memories. That's why the 2026 Chevy Motorhome comes equipped with outdoor living features like an extendable awning, built-in exterior kitchen, surround speakers, and storage for bikes, kayaks, or camping gear. Every detail has been carefully crafted to make your journey more enjoyable. Whether you're parked by the beach or deep in the mountains, pricing for the 2026 Chevy Motorhome is expected to start competitively, making it more accessible than some of its European luxury counterparts. Chevy has built it with the American traveler in mind. Strong, stylish, and practical. With multiple trims available, customers can choose between a more compact version for smaller families or a fully loaded luxury edition for those who want nothing but the best. The 2026 Chevy Motorhome represents the future of road travel. It's not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade that blends technology, comfort, and adventure. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a digital nomad, or a retiree ready to explore the open road, this motorhome is designed to make every mile memorable. Chevrolet has always been about innovation and dependability. And with this release, they've taken another bold step into shaping the future of mobility and freedom.